We're out this year to prove the performance of the Victory electric prototype. There's no better place on earth to take it and try and prove what this thing's really capable of than the ILM NTT0 race.
There goes the Victory bike. Volts, these machines have 17 kilowatts of power. This is impressive, third place, first time Victory Racing have been here. There's the team keeping an eye on the time. Just remarkable how this has progressed. Shortly they'll be going as fast as the four-stroke machines, I'm sure.
Lee Johnston down towards the Craig.
Over the line, Lee goes for his podium position. Very, very impressive. As you can see, the Victory team are extremely happy. Lee Johnston's done them a good job. What a great day for Victory.
Awesome job by the team, you know what I mean? Come here first time, get a podium. It's unbelievable.
We'll be back next year to challenge these guys on the top step of the podium.